A very beautiful morning to you. I beg, follow who know road. Follow who know road. Ane, ope se oye investment wa great kumu we bisa ho questions se bisa me pacho. Me pacho tie. Invest in coconut. Ope se okọ into coconut investment me pacho. Ope se invest into coconut into na me the food factory for see you abro ene me pacho tie. Tete kwashi bro cocoa to Ghana. What are you bringing to your family? Say Scaffoni be bringing investment or muy nice into coconut. And who yes, one casabako fumo, I call land, Debbie, food factory waha, or no pelland namau, one nest seedlings namau, what shall swamana ye would the answer will enjoy the fruit of labor. What you say, and you will see for food factory chief executive officer, Mr. John Nana Benye, Nana Dangote, Nana Gote to the world. Back up now, also you invest in coconut. Ada secret ne eden ti say ye nyina ye ne abre pe cotton ne ade coconut the secret bi wo ha o me hu
I'm say Kobe idea bi a nkofo bebre nimba so ye.
oh
But cocoa nya na fekra ne coconut.
enye cocoa afa ni coconut
Coconut and there's a no ye bufu kra na ye se ye beton Kobe a. Ye royal talent na kwa wa. Anytime audience na Kobe nasa. Kobe ni ton ye den back so.
Ye si Kobe ni ton enye de.
Ye hu ehun faso the health benefit of coconut.
Exactly.
Coconut has so much benefits.
Ene Kobe e 3 cedi o.
Me dem pese ko 5 cedi kra.
Hey.
And you know, pese obia sebe ordering pension. I mean, having a coconut plantation is far better than pension. It's far better than pension. And it's a better pension option. That's what I want to say. At least planting an acre or two. I mean, the stress of you going to the family when you can forget about it. We are there to help you with plantation management. We are there to help you secure your land. We are there to help you get everything that is required to own your own coconut plantations. As soon as you're a challenger, we can help you arrange for it. We give you the best quality seedlings. We are into nursery operation. We are into farm plantation management and so on and so forth. Fruits, we give you ready markets even before the fruits get the trees start yielding.
This is good news because the issue market na nipa bebrebe nya or going to farming and or baby and they say be obe no nya market the needed market ohia no for na yi.
And so most coconut farmers have mortgaged their farms.
Wow.
Ahead of time. Until no say so no more no ababeti no So it's a better investment compared to cocoa for me. I'm not downplaying cocoa. I think we've overhyped cocoa for many years. If you compare the economic benefits, 1 acre of cocoa compared to 1 acre of coconut, I bet you can't compare the difference.
Oh, the mommy fancy how you bet was 1 acre of cocoa. Won't me fan compare 1 acre of coconut. Would you two man answer when you to mommy who comments no or comment session no? If you are not so pay a year food factory for you contact. Now your market train common. Would you all seek that stress? What I say, land acquisition and as a seedlings in your business, cradiamawa, one baby be at Eddie Amoy 0243220019 0243220019 and also with to me as a name a message or me DM so me sabi me person me connected to food factory what I say and a simple near connected to food factory tie edini food factory ahano aduane ho adwuma ne ye me pacho what food factory bia wo ba bia fake original nankasa Ghana ha and free food factory limited yes ye makube a sexy yes they say ye maya nyina ekọ into kube escafo nyina say woni kube a wonye skani tie woni kube fu a wonye skani what I say and some few years to come so be so wonye skapa me pacho enye ka fato nchen kube what I say ente kube revolution umi as kube revolution ane me agriculture Ghana me dia ne ohene ba kosi actually wa enye me be boa wa motumi tumpon e wo agribusiness no eno ene ye de bro wo e be sanso ahia memory fi like it subscribe it ni nyina no ye de be bro wo mo edi ye okube mu nyina ye ba be church ati ase me ni food factory ene twetwe nkomo e be hia bye.